Hello student, today we will solve third question of exercise 3.1. First read the statement. The cost of 2 kg apple and 1 kg grapes on a day was found to be 160. In this line we are given 2 kg apple and 1 kg grapes. The total cost of apples and grapes is 160. And after 1 month, the cost of 4 kg apples, now quantity of apples 4 kg and quantity of grapes now 2 kg is 300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Let us start the solution of this question. Here also write the statement. Now solution. Let the cost of 1 kg apple, because in this question we are given two things, that is apples and grapes. So we suppose the let the cost of 1 kg apple is x rupees and the cost of 1 kg grapes is y. Cost of 1 kg apple is x, cost of 1 kg grapes is y. According to question, now cost of, in first line we are given cost of 2 kg apple, means 2 kg apple means 2 into x plus, and next we are given 1 kg grapes, 1 means y. Total cost is 160, so that is equal to 160. 2x plus y is equal to 160 in first case. Second, after a month, the cost of 4 kg apples, now quantity of apple is 4 kg, so cost become 4 into x plus apple 2 kg. So cost of apple is 2y equal to 300. Now this is a two equations which represent algebraically. The first part is done. Now we represent these equations geometrically. Let us chart. First equation is 2x plus y equal to 160. Now we should always kept in mind that whose coefficient is 1, that variable should write in the left hand side. Here coefficient of 1 which variable? Y. So y should kept in left side. All terms will shift to right side with changing their sign. Okay, got it? Now we have to think the value of x. So we think larger values because there is 160. So we choose 10, 20, 30. So we choose x equal to 20. So y is equal to, put in these equation. Put 162. Here x should replace with 20. Now 160 minus 20 to the 40, so there is value of 120. Now here, now suppose the फिर again value of x 30. Now put value of x in again this 160 minus 2 x is value of x is 30. Now 160 30 to the 60 60. Our value is 100. First 120, second is 100. Now make a table, write down these solutions. Here x, here y. First value of x is 20, then y, that time value of y is 120. When value of x is 30, we found value of y is 100. Now this is the first solution of first equation. Now we are second equation is 4x plus 2y equal to 300. There is a 2 common in both sides, so divide by 2 both sides. 4x by 2, 2y upon 2, 300 upon 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 divided by 1, 300, we get 150. So our equation 2x plus y equal to 150. Now here variable coefficient of 1, y variable have, so y should take place in left side, all other values shifted to right side. Now if we further think the value of x again. Now we think x equal to 20, then value of y we get 150 minus 2, 20 in place of x. 150 minus 40, 110. Same, x equal to 30, the value of y become 150 minus 2. The value of x is 30, so write here 30. So with 150 minus 60, our value is 90. We get two values of x and y. So our solution of this equation has x and y, right? When x is 20, y is 110. When x is 30, y is 90. Now we get the solution of all of these two equations. Now we represent these solutions on graph. Now we represent these coordinates on graph paper. We have this graph. Now we have given two solutions. One is when x is 20, value of y is 120. In other, if x is 30, value of y is 100. From the second equation, if x is 20, y is 110, and x is 30, y is 90. These are two solutions of both equations, and we locate on these on graph. Now let us start. X is 20, go x-axis. This is x-axis. Now 0, 10, 20. We reach here. Now we see the value of y. Here y is 120. Y is 120 from first table. Now go upward with the help of scale. Now we should reach at 120 value of y. 120 value of y is here, so we should go parallel to x-axis, like in such a way. We reach here. This is the coordinate where x is 20 and y is 120. Now find the second coordinate. X is 30, y is 100. Here x is 30. Now y is 100. Y is 100. We go straight and upward, and we stop at when we go to value of 100. Here value of y is 100. So this is the coordinate of where x is 30, y is 100. We found two points. In such points, we draw a line with the help of scale. Like this. Write down the equation. First equation is 2x plus y equal to 160. Now draw the second line. Now graph is 20 and 110. First value x is 20. This now place scale in such a way and go upward where y is 110. Here y is 110. Go parallel to x-axis, we reach here. This is the point where y is 110. Write down 20 and 110 coordinates. Now second coordinate is x30 and y is 90. See, same place scale, we go upward because value of y is positive, that is 90. We reach here, then draw parallel line, we reach here, and here is point when x is 30, y is 90. This is 2 point. Second point. Now join the line from these 2 points. This is a solution of our second equation. Now write down the value of second equation is 2x plus y equal to 150. Now this is a graphically representation of third question. Thank you.